In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete multiple emails in Outlook. If your inbox is overflowing and you want a quick way to clear it out, this walkthrough will help you do it safely and efficiently without losing track of what matters. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook and press Enter. In the results, click the official Outlook website to open the web version of your mailbox. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that with your usual credentials. Once Outlook loads, make sure you're in your inbox, which you'll find in the left sidebar. That's where your incoming messages are listed. Now take a look at the message list in the center of the screen. Each email appears in a row, and on the left side of each row you'll see a small checkbox. To prepare for deletion, select the emails you want to remove. You can click the checkbox next to a single message to choose it, or click multiple checkboxes to pick several messages at once. Be careful not to click the subject line unless you want to open the message. Focus on the checkbox side of each row to keep your selection going quickly. If you're handling a large batch, a helpful tip is to select your first email, then scroll to the last one in the range and use a shift click on its checkbox to select the entire block in between. You can also skim through and cherry-pick individual messages with their checkboxes if your goal is to keep some and remove others. Take a moment to scan your selection and make sure you're not including anything important. With your emails selected, look toward the top toolbar for the Delete option. It usually appears as a trash can icon labeled Delete. Click it once. Outlook will move all selected messages out of your inbox and into the deleted items folder. You may briefly see an undo option pop up. If you change your mind right away, you can use that to restore what you just removed. Those emails aren't permanently gone yet. They're simply in deleted items, which acts like a recycle bin. That's useful if you realize you deleted something by mistake, because you can restore it from there. When you're sure you no longer need them, you can empty the deleted items folder later to free up space. And that's it. You opened Outlook, went to your inbox, selected the emails you no longer need using the checkboxes, and clicked Delete to clean things up quickly and confidently.